why you have to go around there, so?
I'm feel more comfortable around here, so.
Slim as?
Yeah, Bugsy.
But you don't look slim.
But you're not bug.
You're a comedian.
Brother, it's a transaction I come for deal with. I could deal with that now.
You have the money?
No. Cause my life will just come out here, come stand up in the sun. Where the weed there?
Hit the round there, so. Just reach over there, so, and get it.
You know, you have to go around the stuff for that though.
You know, some I like your style. Money. But this not feel like 200 grand.
That's because of 150G in there, where you're on the boss green pan. Nothing more, nothing less. You done yourself?
Yeah, man. Good.
Yeah. I almost forgot to know. How much need to call it? 300G? Yeah, alright.
You need to clean up this situation with Carlton Wallace and the agent.
Seriously, who could take a shot like that?
Because if that comes out, the agency's done.
I need you to find me a place where I can lay low for 2 weeks until I deal with some unfinished business.
What's that?
Killing Carlton Wallace.
I know you're loyal to Mr. Mullins and the agents.
We need to be very discreet with any move we make.
I need to put a leash on him. What going on for me? A few mil.
I'm feeling me.
Oh no, go and get rid of somebody's long time. Because when you can't control him, you still stuck at Uno.
So me, never make you feel special.
Tell me something. You know the person your mother involved with?
Tell him say if him go to the police, I'm gonna read about him.
I tell her I say, I'm not just the man who I see her on phone.
Just sign on the blank space up on the phone.
And that I can't take with you boy, you know. And then I have no approach.
How you style as boy? Girl.
What you say that boy? How you doing?
Ease yourself, not me.
No matter do nothing stupid.
Ah, man. I'm not going to do nothing stupid.
All is well?
Yeah.